Hericium erinaceus is a culinary and medicinal mushroom, also known as lion's mane, monkey's head, Yamabushitake, and cendawan bunga korbis. It has a long history of use in traditional Chinese medicine to treat various illnesses. These are the fully developed mature fruiting bodies of Hericium erinaceus, cultivated at Gano Farm, Sdn Bhd, using agro-industrial waste residues of rubberwood sawdust.
Hericium erinaceus grows best in temperate climates with an optimum temperature ranging from 18 to 25 degrees Celsius. We have successfully grown these mushrooms at Gano Farm, Sdn Bhd over 20 years. We use these mushrooms to produce NevGro.
Major metabolites, namely adenosine, hererin 3 and hererin 4 were isolated from NevGro. Adenosine was isolated as a white powder. The UV spectrum showed absorption peak at 207.5 and 259.5 nanometers, suggesting a typical adenine chromophore. Adenosine is a neuromodulator that acts through multiple mechanisms, including regulation of neurotransmitter releases from synaptic vesicles, neuronal hyperpolarization or depolarization, and glial cell activity. Hererin 3 was isolated as a colorless oil. The UV spectrum showed absorption peak at 213 and 251 nanometers, suggesting a pyrene chromophore. Hererin 4 was isolated as a colorless oil. The UV spectrum showed absorption peaks at 224.50 and 250.5 nanometers, suggesting a pyrene chromophore. The beneficial effects of hererins 3 and 4 in human health are still unknown.
Spinocerebellar ataxia type 3 is a rare, inherited form of ataxia that present in adulthood and slowly progresses over time. It is caused by the mutation of ataxin 3 gene, whereby there is an abnormal expansion of cytosine adenine guanidine trinucleotides within the coding region at chromosome 14. The mutation causes the decreased formation of normal ataxin 3 proteins, contributing to increased susceptibility to oxidative stress. This results in increased RS formation, decreased mitochondrial function and biogenesis via decreased ATP, aconitase, MMP level, mitochondrial proteins Ataxia and COX-1, as well as increased LDH level and apoptosis. Other than that, endogenous antioxidants namely SOD, GPX and CAT were also decreased, therefore promoting oxidative stress-induced cell death. To investigate the protective effects of NevGro against oxidative stress in ACH3, we challenged the ACH3 fibroblasts with depletion of glutathione level by gamma-glutamate cysteine synthetase, a rate-limiting enzyme of which had been inhibited by administration of L-butanosulfoxamine, therefore inducing oxidative stress mimicking the pathogenesis of ACH3. NevGro, along with its exogenous antioxidants and secondary metabolites, can pass through the plasma membrane into the cytoplasm and mitochondria to attenuate the decrease in endogenous antioxidants levels such as GSH, SOD, GPX and CAT, increase RS level, and promote restoration of mitochondrial function and biogenesis as evidenced by attenuation of decreased ATP, aconitis, MMP level, as well as mitochondrial proteins SGHA and COX-1. Attenuation of oxidative stress in the cells leads to decreased LDH release and apoptosis, therefore preventing oxidative stress-induced cell death in ACE3.
NevGro has achieved multiple recognitions at national and international levels. Silver Award at Geneva Inventions 2022, Gold Award at ITEX 2023, Silver Award at ITEX 2024, being documented in 5 scientific publications and 3 agreements, MOA and MOU with Ganofarm R&D Sdn Bhd, Material Transfer Agreement with L'Oreal Institute for Medical Research, and a PhD thesis awarded with a distinction.